What if you could visualize any vibe coding project in detailed plans and integrate it directly into Cursor, so Cursor had up-to-date context of what it was that you're building? Today we are launching the CodeSpring MCP. So whenever you plan out your project, describing how you want those features to work, and you generate requirement docs, Cursor can read them directly from CodeSpring, pulling up-to-date information on how each of your features should work and how they all go together. So any changes you make inside CodeSpring will automatically be reflected inside Cursor. So let me show you how this works. With CodeSpring, you can plan any project you want, listing out the different features and taking notes on each of those features and how they work. And then with just one click, you can generate requirement docs for those features. Now, up until yesterday, you would have to download each of these requirement docs, dragging them into Cursor and uploading them manually. But what happens if we make some change inside CodeSpring? Or what happens if we make a change inside our app? The two of them no longer match. Well, that is why we have launched the CodeSpring MCP. At the moment, we've launched 3 separate tools: Get All Requirement Docs, Get All Projects, and Get a Specific Requirement Doc for a specific project. And we can install this just by running a single line of code. So when we come inside Cursor, all we need to do is say, get the PRDs for my CV Analyzer app. It's going to go ahead and use the CodeSpring MCP and grab all of the context on how to build them. So to start off with, it's going to run the tool Get All PRDs. Now, obviously, because we have multiple features, we've created multiple product requirement docs for each individual feature. So we have the upload PDF area, we have the extract text via OCR, we have the send text to OpenAI, we have the receive data and display analysis, and the score CV across key areas. And that lines up to each of the individual features we've planned out for our app build. So now we're getting Cursor to talk directly to our CodeSpring project. And just like that, it's reading the PRD upload PDF area, which is this document here, and it's going to save it directly to our codebase. So once we plan out how we want our project to work inside CodeSpring, we just link it up to Cursor and we can get it to start building for us without ever having to prompt it or copy and paste any requirement docs. It's so easy. It just sits there and runs in the background. You don't need to worry about anything. And all of these requirement docs here are trained off the CodeSpring boilerplate with user accounts already set in, databases already linked, and payments already set up. So if you're a beginner who's just getting started using Cursor and you're trying to plan out your projects and vibe code them and you're struggling with getting things implemented easily, this is going to be a complete game changer. Just like that, the CodeSpring MCP has gone ahead and created a folder for our CV Analyzer app, and it's put in the upload PDF area and the extract text via OCR document. And you can see the text we've got here is identical to what we have inside our CodeSpring account. So now we have all of our requirement docs inside Cursor. Simply accept those changes and tell Cursor to go ahead and build you this app. If you'd like to go ahead and try CodeSpring, just go to codespring.app and grab yourself a trial for just £1.